Hi folks, it's Terry back with Terry Gauge Trains with part 3 of the Marx 588 diesel switcher roof repair video. What you doing, Joshua? This is, like I said, the final reveal. Shannon over here, my nephew, he has not seen it since I started the repair. So we're going to bring it out of the tunnel and let you all see it. And here it comes. Well, Shannon, what do you think?
That looks good.
I'm going to zoom in here so you can all see it. Here is the finished product. And as you can see, that repair is virtually invisible. From a foot away, you could never tell it was broken. And as I said before, I painted it. This locomotive, the JB Weld epoxy, is actually just as hard, if not harder, than the plastic it's attached to. So this will last him for years and years. Now, all that's left now is to get a headlight in it, and the bulbs will be here on Friday. We have them ordered from Amazon. So Shannon, what do you think of your locomotive?
It really does.
Yep. You happy with it?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. So it's to show you it's these plastic body locomotives, you can repair them like this, and you could most likely it would also work with a die cast or stamped steel that has been damaged as well. Broken corners on these plastic body Marxes is quite common, whether it's the Marx 490 like over here, I repaired over here. It is quite common because they would often be run very fast and take a turn and jump right off the platform onto the track, onto the floor below. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. We'll let it run around a few times, and that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please comment and like and subscribe. So there we go. Marx 588 diesel switcher with repaired shell, and it decoupled itself, but that's all right. Like I said, that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.